Word by Word Picture Dictionary, 2nd edition, by Stephen J. Malinsky and Bill Bliss. Page 3. Family Members 2. Listen and practice the words.
Uncle, uncle. Aunt, aunt. Niece, niece. Nephew, nephew. Cousin, cousin. Mother-in-law, mother-in-law. Father-in-law, father-in-law. Son-in-law, son-in-law. Daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law. Brother-in-law, brother-in-law. Sister-in-law, sister-in-law.
Page 3. Conversations. Listen to these conversations and then practice them using any words in the lesson you wish.
Who is he?
He's my uncle.
What's his name?
His name is Jack.
Who is she?
She's my aunt.
What's her name?
Her name is Nancy.
Let me introduce my cousin.
I'm glad to meet you.
Nice meeting you, too.
Word by Word Picture Dictionary,